Hi everyone! Today we are making an old-fashioned chocolate fudge cake. A classic chocolate cake that is easy to make, super moist with a rich chocolate taste and not too sweet. There's no mixer required to make this cake. All you need is a big bowl and a whisk. So let's get started. We will prepare the fudge frosting first because it takes time to set. I use dark chocolate compound in this recipe, or you can use semi-sweet baking chocolate. This chocolate will melt smoothly into the fudge. Combine chopped chocolate with whipped cream in a heat-proof bowl. Then place it over the water bath. The steam will slowly melt the chocolate. Once it's completely melted, remove from heat. Add a little Greek yogurt. Stir well. This will lighten the sweetness of the chocolate. Cover it and let it cool in the fridge to set. In the meanwhile, we can start making the cake. I am using 3 14cm diameter cake pans. Simply grease the entire pan and put a piece of parchment paper in the bottom. For the buttermilk, simply combine the milk and vinegar, stir well, let it sit for 5 minutes. The acids in buttermilk will react with the leavening agent, producing a light, fluffy cake texture and tender crumb. It is important to sieve all the dry ingredients. This will help remove any lumps in the cacao powder and baking soda. Raw cacao is my favorite when making chocolate cake. It tastes fruity, sweet with a hint of citrus. But if you prefer a more bitter dark chocolate taste, you can also use Dutch processed cocoa powder. We will start by creaming the butter and sugar until pale and fluffy. This process will take for about 5 minutes. Add in beaten eggs, mix well. And then, I will add the dry ingredients alternating with buttermilk in 3 batches. Mix until just combined. Scrub the bottom of the bowl to make sure the batter is mixed well. Divide the batter evenly between 3 pans. Tap the pan a few times to remove air bubbles. Then bake in the preheated 160 degrees Celsius fan oven on the middle rack for 15 minutes. Once it's done, let it cool in the pan for about 5 minutes. Then turn it over and leave it cool completely on a cooling rack. Now we are ready to ice the cake. This frosting has been chilled for 1 hour in the fridge. As it cools, it thickens and becomes fudge frosting. Put a nice dollop of this frosting in the center of the cake. Spread evenly. Repeat with another layer. And before you do the final coat, cover with a plastic wrap and chill for 30 minutes in the fridge to ferment. This will make easier to apply the final coat without shifting the layers. Make swirls around the cake. This is the easiest technique to make a beautiful classic chocolate cake. The cake is very light and moist, and the silky smooth chocolate frosting is so creamy. And after one day in the fridge, the cake tasted even better. The frosting becomes super fudgy, and the texture of the cake becomes nice and thick. Kids will definitely fall in love with it. I hope you will give it a try, and I can't wait to hear what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone!